Here it is, guys, the man of the hour, the CFLite Dual 250. So I'm already on the trails riding. So I'm gonna set up the GoPro and then you can watch me do a little bit of riding. Well, I'm not a good rider, so it's gonna be mainly just slow riding. I still need to learn how to ride properly. Like, I know all the basics, but yeah. All right, guys, the GoPro's set up. Guess we can do a little bit of trail riding. Well, like I said, not a good rider, so don't expect to see any crazy stuff like I do on the ATVs. So yeah. Oh, that sand was a bit slippery. Let's see if we can make it through here. Gotta be careful here on these trails. You don't want to fall and break anything. Alright, so far so good. So I gave this bike like a quick lap to a guy who owns a CRF300L. He said this is a very stiff suspension. So his CRF is quite much more smoother. But yeah, well, wheel spin. See, that's what I'm talking about. I don't know how to even gear shift quickly. Not a good bike rider. But hey, the perfect time to learn with this bike. So these tires, they're really good on the road. They're smooth and all, but they're pretty shit in the mud. And they're pretty shit in the mud and on the sand. But yeah, still maybe it's a skill issue. No, not a good bike rider. That log out there. It's a really cool bike for forest riding like this. I mean, I don't really like city driving. The forest is my favorite place to ride. This is perfect for me. I mean, it's a light bike. It's a pretty light bike. It's not heavy. It has a good kick, so for me as a complete beginner, it's you know, I'm even a bit afraid of the bike, so that's a good thing actually. So there is room for me to grow, and yeah, we're gonna see how it goes once I get used to the power. It's a good sunny day today, 20 degrees Celsius. And the forest a bit wet from the previous rain. Look at this view, guys. Ah, just amazing. That's why I like riding in the forest so much, is just because of the views. The views are just amazing. Bike riding is so much more fun than ATV riding. Well, probably because I'm not that good at riding it, that's why it's fun, because on the ATV I feel pretty comfortable, you know, I can go full throttle on these trails, no problem. Up here on the bike I'm only on second gear. It already feels a bit overwhelming, like, while ATV riding has become super easy. Well, it is easy, you don't have to worry about gears on those utility, I think I call it, utility ATVs. If you own a sports ATV, of course, yeah, it has gears and everything, but yeah, we're talking about regular, like, work ATVs that I had. You can watch those videos on the channel. I have quite a lot of riding videos. And on the bike you have to have good balance all the time. And whiskey throttle is also an issue. So yeah, I still think about like these things all the time. Oh, where is my foot brake? What gear should I be in? You know, when you're a beginner, you think about those things. When you get the hang of it all, it just becomes second nature. Like, you do it without thinking, absolutely. Oh, let's see what's up there. Nothing. A great view. That's what's there. Awesome. Awesome. So yeah, it's actually pretty cool riding like spots where I used to do ATV riding all the time, and you can't really get to some places because like the quad is big, right? Or the other way around, like you can't get there on the bike since there's a lot of mud, and I would be able to go through that mud at the moment with these tires at least. So yeah, interesting. So I'm keeping it very slow because I actually had a pretty bad fall with an ATV not a long time ago, like really bad. I was limping for a few weeks. Hands were completely open with blood. Oh, crazy stuff. Something rattling at the back. Gotta take a smoke break, check it out. We're up here, like that. Yeah, that's what's rattling. The number plate. Right, smoke break. Alright, smoke breaks over. Up. Yep. Yeah, these are home trails. Enjoy these very much. Yeah, this is up here. I used to go full throttle on the ATV all the time, like you can drift into that corner. And this is the part with a lot of sand. Yeah, slippery. put it in first. Get a lot of whiskey throttle usually on the sand. Oh. Yeah, sand always like takes a lot of your strength. Tires are ass. These sand parts are so exhausting. When you're going in full gear, like wobbling like a sausage. Yeah, so a really fun bike to ride actually. Well, like I don't like speed bikes, like those high speed bikes. That's just too much. That's a death wish, in my opinion. If you guys like it, I'm okay with that. But yeah, forest riding is where it's at for me. Forest, gravel road, perfect. So yeah guys, that is it. This was my first ride on the CFLite Dual 250. Well, so far enjoying it. Like really fun riding. I wanted to get a bike for a long time, and yeah, very solid bike for 3k euros. Here's the beast, here's my gear. So yeah, we're gonna do a lot more videos on this bike, that is riding, upgrading it, and so on. So I'm really curious what things will break first. And yeah, there are gonna be also, of course, repair videos on this bike, so like since I repair stuff. So yeah, there will definitely be some repair videos in the future. So if you're interested in the bike, subscribe to the channel. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.